My name is Stephen Otwell. I'm the general manager of River Valley Tractor. I've been in the equipment business about 28 years now. I grew up on a row crop farm in southeast Arkansas in the Delta. Started driving tractors when I was probably 11 years old. I guess I always liked to play in the dirt and stuck with me. For someone that's never heard of River Valley Tractor, we're a full-line construction, ag, residential, commercial dealer, offering a wide variety of products, several different brands, including Kubota, Land Pride, Hustler, Bad Boy, Skag, and so on. The two dealerships in Little Rock have not always been River Valley Tractor. They were formerly known as Pfizer Tractor and Capital Equipment. I'm really excited about the new dealerships. I'm excited to meet new customers. I'm also excited to talk to some old customers and show them how we've changed and what we can do better. Brand new ownership, brand new management. We have new techs, we have a whole new way of doing business. So if you're a first-time buyer, come out to River Valley Tractor and give us a chance. We're price competitive, we have a great professional staff, we're dedicated to servicing everything we sell. So come tell us what you need, let us evaluate, and show you that we can make a difference. Check us out online at rivervalleytractor.com.